When I saw the map, I laughed. Of course, with the map, it's obviously they agreed that Ikweres are not Igbos. Of course, they know that Ogba, they are not Igbos. It's clear. Of course, it makes you believe that even Port Harcourt, as they claim, is not an Igbo land. It is an Igbo land. They are claiming to be majority. Yes, it's a claim. But do you blame them when all these people are thinking they are different tribes, instead of them to know that they are different dialects under one tribe? That is where the problem starts from. Divided you fall, united you stand. It just will squeeze you people because you people are not united. You don't speak with one voice. Even the Nigerian government know from day one that you guys are able. Check out this reading that I saw online. As of 1950, they know that all those places are Igbo communities. Check it now. But here you are. Start dragging us. I am run the Igbo. I am run the Igbo. And you are speaking Igbo. You are answering Igbo name. Because they name the place Port Harcourt, you forget say we know the real name Ikwere. What does it mean in your language? And what does it mean in Igbo? It's high time you people unite together. Imagine Ikwere, Ogba, Eche, all of them agree. You that we are Igbo, you are going to be the majority there. Majority, in fact, not you are the majority. But when you divide yourself one after the other, the people will take over you people now. Imagine say, because now that you are divided, if Ijo decide to fight Ikwere completely, Ogba will stand there and say we are not the same. Eche will stand there and say we are not the same. Ndaki will stand there and say we are not the same. They will finish them and combine them together with themselves and fight other people. That is where the problems are. But if you are united, no, it's different dialects, you will fight it together. This is what is happening in Delta. Urobo will be claiming that they are the majority. Meanwhile, if from Kwale to Agbo, which is Eka, Enuani and Okwan unite together, we are bigger than the entire other minority tribes in Delta State. But here we dey, you go see Okwan and some boys they say we are not Igbo. It's some Mekago they say we are not Igbo. How will they do Robo not claim they are the majority? I'm out of here, Joe.